Another application of infinite sequences or series is the Koch snowflake. To construct it, it's relatively simple. Take an equilateral triangle and then on each side add another equilateral triangle pointing out, whose length is 1/3 of each one of these sides. And then for each one of these remaining sides, do the same again. We can see that the shape is increasing in side and it has an increasing number of sides. If you do the calculation and look at the perimeter and look at the area, the perimeter and the area are increasing. It should be obvious that the area will be bounded because you can draw a circle around the outside. And it turns out, if you do the maths, that the area will become 1.6 times or 8/5 of the original triangle. Another calculation will show that the perimeter will keep on increasing infinitely as we add more and more triangle. With this animation, because of the resolution of the screen, there becomes a point when you can't see the effect of adding more and more triangles on the sides, but the calculations can continue. So the perimeter will increase by 4/3 each time, and the area of the shape, the snowflake, will converge towards 1.6 times the area of the original triangle. There's a short explanation there. The question is, can a finite area have an infinite perimeter? Which is quite an interesting idea of a process generating an infinite and a finite value at the same time.